Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you are new. Hey girl, hey. So today we are going to be doing this cute crochet style. It's been a minute since I did like a crochet style, so I'm excited for this video. Let's get into it.
Hey y'all, so this is what you'll need. This is the hair I use. This from Freetress. It's the Beach Curl 12-inch. I'll have it linked in the description box. You're going to need a crochet needle. This is the one I use. This is my braid pattern. I wanted it to be able to be worn in the middle part or side part. So this is why I have my braids this way. And then I have like a little braid at the back just in case I wanted to wear it up into a pony. But let's get into it. So you already know how to crochet hair into your own hair. Like, you know the technique. I'm sure of it. So I literally just started off camera getting the back done because what I didn't realize was that this was going to take a little bit of time. Like I said, I have not done a crochet style in a minute, so I was like, wow, this is really taking a hot minute. So I did the back off camera, but I'm literally just like crocheting the hair in, and then I'm like double knotting it. I was trying different ways of tying it. So in some clips you see me like doing it where I pull it through again and tie it, and then sometimes you see me pulling it through, leaving it. Sometimes you see me pulling it through, tying it, just trying to see what was going to stick best. So now this is what is the most important part, these top parts. So I split the hair in two, so it's a little bit smaller or thinner, I should say, and then I crochet it in, but very, very, very close. Now for me, this was the way that worked best, just crocheting the hair in and then pulling it through, looping it like on one side, then looping it to the other side, and then tying it. Because you know, with this type of hair, it's curly, it's loose, it could easily slip out. So this is just what worked best for me. And like I said, I'm crocheting the hair in very, very, very close together because I just wanted to look as natural as possible. So literally it's very, very simple. This was, like I said, a little bit more time consuming. Okay, it was not quick and easy. Well, it was easy, just not quick. But it came out super, super cute in the end. So I'm just gonna let you watch me finish crocheting this in, and then afterwards I do go in and kind of like pick it out and fluff it up a little bit and tease where like the roots are, just so again it just looks as natural as possible. But yeah.
Okay y'all, so this is the finished look. I had cut like, you know, a little bit of just, so it's not like all the same. I just cut it and kind of shaped it a little bit. I was going to do a middle part at first, but then I was like, no, I like the way the side part looks. I think it's super cute. So yeah, this is definitely super cute, but not super quick. You know, I like a super quick style. This took me like 2 hours, not including me braiding my hair because my hair was already braided. So this was a little bit time consuming, and I haven't done like a crochet style in a minute, like with hair. So I forgot that it can be a little time consuming. I mean, 2 hours is not bad, but I was like, yeah, I'm gonna be able to get this done in an hour. Lies, girl. I was just like, ooh, I forgot how long it takes. Yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. Let me know down in the comments what you thought of this style. Let me know if you're feeling it. How do you feel about like crochet styles? Because I haven't done like a crochet hairstyle in years, and I was like, let me circle back to that, because I really just, I wasn't in the mood for a wig. I wasn't in the mood for like braids or twists or anything like that. I can't really like wear my hair out because I work out Monday through Friday, so, and I gotta go to work, so it's like I really wouldn't have enough time to be trying to like, you know, finesse my hair before I go to work. So I was like, what do I want? I was like, let me try a crochet style. So yeah, it's cute. If you're interested in the hair, it will be linked in the description box as well. Like I said, give the video a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments what you thought. Subscribe if you are not subscribed. I gotta go. I gotta hit the road. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.